Once I was young, now I'm older. 'Cause of you my chains are broken. You are there with your arms wide open. Big up to my water upon a 1 year and changing love bomba clot. Yo, listen, I just did a video recently where, and I think a lot of people had a misunderstanding going on here. So today I'm come to talk about SouFLoTV and Mavado on DJ Khaled's new album, right? Somebody linked me a few weeks ago, I must say last week, when we did the video, I don't remember, and said, SouFlo, what rumor spread say, Mavado and DJ Khaled in some kind of squabble because of the position that Mavado has on the album, like him way down at the last track or something. Now, a lot of people came on without listening to what I was saying in that video. Them come, and Dr. Boy SouFLoTV goes talk out your mother and all this other thing. Listen, if you had listened to what I said in that video, you would have heard me say these are the possibilities of what might be happening, but I myself do not believe it for a minute. Go and listen to it again, but you have to listen entirely. This is a way for me to know also who actually pays attention to these videos. Listen to the reasoning throughout the whole thing before you actually comment with some intelligence, right? Now, I'm just listening to the album itself. I'm listening to this song. I'm listening to the song where I'm with Sizzla, and may I tell you, say, are the two best songs them on the album. I don't know if it's because I'm Jamaican, or I don't know if it's because I'm a person of deep thought and substance, right? That these songs are hitting me so hard. The thing about it is this. With where Sizzla is on the album, the opening track, right? And then you have Mavado closing out the album. I think DJ Khaled, what he did was he took the two best and used, and it goes perfect with his theme. It went perfect with the theme of his album. I'm grateful, right? Me just listen to Mavado sing the song. I feel like this is the Mavado where, yo, I've been waiting for this transformation right here. I feel like Mavado did a transformation with this. This will come from way down deep. This will come from somewhere deep internally. And in the song he speak of meditation and all these other things. So you can see the maturity and the growth, right? Now, I have to say it early because some people not going to watch the video for 10 minutes or however long this video is going to last. They're going to watch the first 2 minutes of it or the first 1 minute. And if me never say big up Mavado in the first 60 seconds, then when I say SouFLoTV go suck your mother, your bad mind, you always try tear down Gully God. And like me, SouFLoTV can tear down Gully God. I've always said that Mavado is, his place is stamped in dancehall music, in reggae music, singing and DJing. His place is stamped. And Mavado said something previously that we need to look into. Him said, first I go to the music and then from the music to the acting. So it's nothing short-fetched or long-fetched then to think of Mavado in movie roles. Remember that thing he did with Drake? The short film he did with Drake? I forgot what it was. It was something about love. Let me look it up real quick. Said from you not show no progress. Find Your Love, right? When him did that with Find Your Love with him and Drake, that was straight up like a movie, a short film. So I could see him very well playing one of them part in a movie. And I don't know, the God got bad right now. Him bad right now. That song here have me away. Like, me I pray the thing and me I say, yo, it's bad. It's bad. It's bad. I have to give credit where credit is due. Sizzla and Mavado are the two best songs on the album. That is what me I say. Big up to DJ Khaled for the 1 year because I'm fine it. Now, all the other rumors and speculations out there, you all know by now that that's misinformation and far-fetched. what bothers me is how fast the negativity sells. First of all, when I do topics that require dialogue, intelligent dialogue, half of them people here, I don't see them show up on the forum. But as soon as me say, yo, there's a rumor going on out there, and that's why I thought it was good to bring it to the table, because I wanted to see the haters. Just like when Cargo said, something about SouFLoTV a dance go down in Miami, me say, you know what, I'm going to run with that. Everybody knows I do occupational therapy, but I'm going to run with that SouFLoTV as a go down in Miami. So me come on and do a video and me say, yes, me take off my clothes. Me take off my clothes for woman though. Me not take off my clothes for man. So, nothing wrong with that. You can't style me as fish. Man take it and run with it and say, oh, him take off him clothes for woman, but man in the same room, and some of the woman them in the room are really man them dressed like woman, and that they just run with the negativity all the time. So when I did that video addressing the rumor that someone asked me to address, like if you look on SouFLoTV videos, look in the comment section, you will see people asking me to do topics all the time. This is where I get most of my topics from. So sometimes when news hot out the road and don't see me cover it, is because my audience is asking for something else. I don't know, see me drop a video and say, that's not the trending topic. I don't want to be on the trending topic. I don't want to be on the trending topic. Then I'm just another one of those. I don't want to be one another grain of sand on the beach. Then there's nothing that separates me from all the others. And I will soon quickly fade away or get lost in the shuffle. Right? Me want to stand out. I was born to stand out. So me I stand out on SouFLoTV. So when them go left, me go right. When them go down, me go up. When them go up, me go down. You know what I say? And sometimes I do a trending topic or two. But I just saw the thing set. Now, the people that run with the negativity, me trying to address the rumor, first 2 seconds them insult out your mother, boy, you could tell they never listened to a thing that I said on that thing. So I'm saying it again here. I don't believe it for 1 second, because matter of fact, Mavado was actually queuing up and getting ready to shoot the video for it. The man DJ KHALED them are going to shoot a video for Unchanging Love. And if they were at squabbles, then nothing wouldn't go so. Right? Why would he even be on the album, one person put, which is only right? Why would he even be on the album if they have beef like that? Or if he is so mad about where he's at on the album, I'm gonna dead that right now. Nothing no gossip. Nothing no gossip. What I want y'all to do though, what I want my audience to do, is go pick up a copy of wherever you can get it from. DJ KHALED's Grateful album, a slap. It's a slam and a slap. But my two favorite tracks on this album, right, is DJ KHALED and Mavado, and DJ KHALED and Sizzla. Them two there are the best. I'm So Grateful featuring Sizzla, and Unchanging Love with Mavado. Now, if you notice, Unchanging Love, I'm So Grateful featuring Sizzla. Unchanging Love, Mavado take the whole thing by himself and just croon it out. Either way, big bad and bold. Right now I'm at DJ KHALED Vivo page and I'm looking at the DJ KHALED intro, I'm So Grateful featuring Sizzla, and it done clear 3 million plus already. You see what I say? I think DJ KHALED is very grateful for Assad, for his son, and it put him in that kind of mood. I think it's his first child, right? And this does something to a man, especially when you get a boy picnic and you can see yourself again. It is like I am rebirth, reborn, come back again. Get a chance now to do it all over from scratch, or to invest all this knowledge that I have now. Cause me can't turn back my clock, but I can surely impart what I know onto this young one and cultivate this tree and watch it grow, right? So I think he's at that place in life. So big up to DJ KHALED, man. I'm not gonna talk no more. The two best tracks on the album for me is DJ KHALED featuring Sizzla, I Am So Grateful, and DJ KHALED with Mavado, or just Mavado, I Kill the Thing over here. So with Unchanging Love. I'm out of here. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think in the comment section below. Please go listen to that Unchanging Love. Yo, the thing, I can't say no more. It bad. It bad. I'm out. Peace.